So we're sushi mark in the park today, and we've got a bit of sushi from the rice that was left over last night from last night's live, and also a couple of the cucumber boat, well, a cucumber boat cut up into three. So yeah, there is a lot of different stuff in here, so we're going to start trying it. So this is like a little bit of sushi rice with some wasabi and a prawn. I'm just going to whack that in. It's already, everything's already got soy sauce on. So cheers. That's like proper stuff.
Is it?
Yeah. This is a very soyed up fusion sushi. So we've got some prawns inside it, we've got chilies in there, we've got, this one's a bit kind of like it's going to fall apart, we've got some ginger in there. So although it is quite soggy, let's give it a go. The taste is there, but that's a little bit too wet from the soy sauce. Still tastes good though. We're going to have one with the imitation caviar on it. Delightful, that made it even better. Sushi boats. Really good. Let's try one of the fusion nigiris with the imitation caviar on it. The imitation caviar just makes it even better. Just that nice little sweet flavour on it. That was Sushi Mark in the park, trying a few variations of different types of fusion sushi. Yeah, please give us a like, a share, a follow and subscribe. See you guys soon.